All right, so this is the QK60. When you talk about price to performance, this thing is pretty good. Really high quality build, really nice texture. I don't have sweaty hands, but it looks like I do because of how many prints there are. It does not come fully assembled like this. You clearly, I mean, you have to build it. But I mean, coming in at $153, dude, this thing is not bad. Really, really high quality. I have a full video on this thing. If you want to go check it out for the sound test, I'm going to give you one now, but full sound test and see exactly what all the build specs are. But here's a little sound test of it.